Myself, Samsad Ahmed, Department of Chemistry, DAV PG College Sivans. I have already discussed about the first law of thermodynamics. Today I have to discuss heat capacity, another parts of thermodynamics. Heat capacity. The heat capacity of a system is defined as the amount of heat required to raise the temperature of 1 mole of system through 1 degree Celsius. It is denoted by C. Let dq is amount of heat absorbed and dt be raise in the temperature, then the heat capacity is given by C is equal to dq by dt. At constant volumes, by first law of thermodynamics, dq is equal to d plus pdv. Putting this value of dq in equation first, C is equal to d plus pdv by dt. V is kept constant, so dv must be equal to 0. Cv is equal to d by dt at constant V, that is Cv is equal to d by dt under bracket constant V. Thus the molar heat capacity at constant volume is defined as the amount of heat required to raise the temperature of 1 mole of the substance by 1 degree Celsius at constant volume. Now come to the heat capacity at constant pressure. It will be also denoted as C is equal to dq by dt. According to first law of thermodynamics, dq must be equal to d plus pdv. Now C is equal to d plus pdv by dt. Suppose that the absorption of heat taken place in a reversible manner at constant pressures, then Cp is equal to d by dt at constant P plus P is equal to dv by dt at constant P. Since pressure is constant, so P into dv must be equal to 0. In these situations, Cp is equal to d by dt at constant P. We know that H is equal to E plus PV, that is enthalpy H is equal to E plus PV. On differentiating these equations with respect to temperature at constant pressure, dH by dt at constant P must be equal to d by dt at constant P plus P into dV by dt at constant P. At constant pressure, in this equation, P must be equal to 0. So, dH by dt at constant P is equal to d by dt at constant P plus P into dV by dt at constant P, last term concerning at constant P must be equal to 0. So, Cp is equal to dH by dt at constant P. Hence, we can say that the molar heat capacity at constant pressure is also defined as the amount of heat required to raise the temperature is equal to raise the temperature by that's all.